This girl pulled out a poisonous snake and, without saying a word, slipped it under the clothes of the commander's daughter. The girl screamed and collapsed to the ground, and the commander immediately ordered the soldiers to remove the snake. However, the snake crawled out on its own. Furious, the commander struck the girl so hard that she fell. Then he ordered the soldiers to lock her in the arena, but he didn't expect others to be brought in as well. Soon, a barrel was dropped from above, and when it broke open, dozens of snakes slithered out. Everyone panicked and tried to run. One girl fell, and poisonous snakes quickly wrapped around her body. Seeing this, one man accepted his fate and simply waited for death. Eventually, only 2 people remained alive. The girl climbed onto a rock, the other person was caught, and the snake slowly wrapped around him until he died. Then the snakes turned toward the girl. She began to sing, and the song hypnotized all the snakes. Not a single one harmed her.